All right, what's going on, everybody? Day 14, 90 days of value. Appreciate everybody who taps in, watches the videos. Day 14, first 13 days have been absolutely amazing. If you missed them, you have the ability to scroll my page and take a look at the other videos. Birthday festivities, celebrate my daughter's 15th birthday. So, live from my cell phone. But day 14, you can only put out what's inside of you. That's why growth is so important. A lot of people don't understand this because when we were in grade school, middle school, high school, even college, we were given a textbook, told to study different subjects that the teacher told us that we had to learn, and then tested on the information that was given to us. It was never discussed or taught that not only is it important to be able to comprehend information that's given to you, but it's also important to be able to learn information that will help you grow as a person. That's not taught. That's not a thing, right? Thank you, baby. And a lot of people don't focus on it. They don't. Some people literally get out of college, get out of high school, and don't pick up a book ever again, right? So personal growth is extremely important, growing as a person, right? Because your mind becomes wealthy far before the money shows up in your bank account, right? So you can only put out, you can only give to other people what's inside of you. The reason why I can go 90 days straight on different topics, on different pieces of information that I have acquired that's helped me continue to grow and continue to make money, is because I spent years consuming information that helped me grow mentally, emotionally, and get to a place where I was wealthy mentally, and now the money is showing up, right? You can't skip that part. I want you to think about this. Would you follow somebody who doesn't know what they're talking about? Wouldn't you follow a person? The people that you follow on social media, they are knowledgeable, right? They have value to give, right? You're not following people who are imbeciles. You're following people who have some type of value to give you. You're watching this video because there's some value that you're going to receive from it. If you want people to follow you, if you want people to trust you, and you want the marketplace to see you as valuable, you got to put something, you got to make a deposit first. That's how everything works. Deposit first before the withdrawal. Some people want to skip the deposits and get straight to the withdrawals. Now you got to put something in you. You got to get some new information. Make some deposits consistently. Read every single day. Watch something that helps you grow every single day. I will say it again. Y'all have heard me say it on previous days. Clean up your social media. Delete 10, 15, 20 people a day. If you see something flow through your timeline or your stories that you do not agree with, that you don't want to see, delete that person immediately. I don't care what their title is. That's me. That's a little bit radical. I don't care who it is. If it's a family member, they got your phone number. They don't have to be on your social media, right? Clean your social media up. Make sure you're seeing only the things that's going to help you grow, that's going to help you do better, right? Because again, you can only give what's inside of you. right? This is directly connected to the amount of money that you're going to make. A lot of people don't look at it that way, but it's true. Make deposits every day. And what you learn, you should go teach. It's not hard. What you learn, what helps you grow, is going to help somebody else grow. When I'm coaching people and mentoring people, the information that helped me grow and get to higher levels quickly, I'll quickly want to give that information to the people that I coach and mentor, so it doesn't take as long as it took me. Does that make sense? Real simple principle, right? Real simple principle. You can only give what has already been deposited inside of you. So make deposits and make them quick. Like I always tell my students, this don't have to take long. I got a play right now that I'm helping people make $2,000 very quickly, right? And then right after that, I'm showing them how to take what they have built with that $2,000 and turn that into $8,000 to $10,000 a month residually. It don't have to take forever. It does not have to take forever. And watch this. Attach yourself to people who have made deposits. Attach yourself to people who are willing to make deposits into you. It's not just about the information that you consume, that you read, and videos that you watch, but it's the people that you surround yourself with. If they are people of value, they are able to make deposits into you consistently. And then you can take those deposits, you can take those pieces of information, turn that into capital, turn that into revenue. Rule number one in the Dyson household is whatever goes out has to come back in exponentially. Expeditiously. It has to come back quickly. It's a mindset. It's a mindset. It really is, right? It is noble. It is a requirement, an absolute requirement for you to free enterprise. I'm gonna say it again. This ain't job bashing. This is just the truth. Hey, listen, your job is not going to elevate you. It's only meant to sustain you. So you have to do something outside of a job. You just have to. If you don't, guess what? Insanity is doing the same thing, expecting different results. The job is not going to elevate you. It's not. It's only going to sustain you. So you got to do things outside of a job. You got to watch this. Develop partnerships. Network. Meet new people. The 5 people you talk to the most right now are holding you back. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. You got to get higher quality friends with higher quality information. Information leads to money. If you connect yourself to the right people with the right information and you apply that information, watch this. If they have the heart to share the information with you, apply it, and you can turn that into cash. You can turn that into capital. And it don't have to take forever. I keep telling y'all, this stuff do not have to take forever. The problem is people are devoid of belief. People are devoid of belief. That's the issue. They don't believe in themselves. They've been conditioned to follow a specific program, and then they wonder why the program doesn't work. They've been conditioned to accept information that's meant to keep them struggling and reject the information that really can get them free. I'm telling you, this is the guy with 10 children talking to you right now. I haven't had a job since April 2013. In over 12 years. And I'm thriving. And I'm winning. Why? Because I make great partnerships, right? I meet people with high quality information. I take the information, I apply the information, and I turn that into capital, into revenue. And then I help other people. If you have a spirit, a heart to help other people, you're gonna be rich. Because that's all it is. It's an exchange of value. That's why I'm telling you, make a deposit into yourself, read, get new information, surround yourself with people who are well read and have great information, partner with them. Watch this. Spend some money to make some money. Why is that so hard for people to understand? If you want something for free, guess what? I'm not trying to be mean. I shouldn't say that. The only man, listen. I'm sorry, man. You're gonna have to do something different. You're gonna have to do something different. If you scared to spend money, then guess what? You ain't gonna make no money. If you scared to put it out, like even how crazy would it be to go to a garden, not plant anything, but expect to get some fruit out of the ground? How crazy is that? Isn't that crazy? Isn't it crazy to go to a garden, just sit there and look at the ground? You ain't plant nothing, but you expect a harvest. Even that, you got to plant something to get something. You got to give something to receive something. Real simple. Imagine being afraid. Watch this. Oh my God. Imagine being afraid to spend $100, $200, $300 to learn how to make 4 figures, 5 figures, 6 figures a month. Y'all, it's never been easier than it is right now. And it ain't getting, it's never been easier than it is right now. Never, never, never. This device you're watching me on right now has made me so much money. These social medias, these social networks, listen, if you got a following and you don't know how to monetize it, we need to talk. I got a product that's only $20 right now. $20. I got a product that is $20 that is absolutely amazing. I didn't make it. I didn't develop it. It's already in operation. It's beautiful. It makes all the sense in the world. I got a product that's only $20 right now that can make you, just name a number. Just name a number. I got a product that's only $20. And only, watch this, it'll only cost you $20. See, people make excuses. They make excuses. I got a product that's $20. I'm actually in my product right now. This hotel right here, I'm in my product. You wouldn't believe how much I spent for this room. I got 2 rooms. You wouldn't believe how much I spent for these rooms. I'm not going to give it to you on this live. You got to inbox me if you want to know. The product was only $20. $20. $20. I got a $20 product that everybody around you would love, and you can make money hand over fist. Information. You think it's hard. It's not. Well, watch this. If you didn't notice, I'm looking for people. I'm looking for people who want more, who want to elevate, who want to actually make money, to do well. I'll show you. Right? I did a live a few days ago. If you're tired of working the way you were working and you want more money, all you need is a better vision. That's it. Something that motivates you, gets you up, excited every day. That's all you really need. I got that. If you want it, DM me, get my attention, message me. I don't care where it is, on Facebook, right? In the comment section. Charles, I want to have a conversation with you. Listen, get me on Instagram, Mr. Kingdom Cash. Get my attention. Let's have a conversation. And look, when I say let's have a conversation, I don't mean I'm going to sell you. I'm going to show you what I have. If it makes sense, then we can work together. If it doesn't make sense, then guess what? Nice talking to you. I'm going to keep making money. But if it makes sense, we can make money together. All right? Like this, comment, share, put what you think in the comment section, and connect with me. Let's see if we could do something great. Especially if you got a following already. If you got a following already, I got something that your following is going to love. I'm going to show you how to monetize your following. I don't care where it is. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you at, wherever your following is, I'll show you how to monetize it. And ethically monetize it with stuff of value. Not no BS. Stuff that people really want and will pay for. I'll show you how to monetize it and change your life. All right, Mr. Kingdom Cash, Charles Jackson. I'll be live tomorrow at 12 o'clock, same time, 90 days straight. Day 14 in the books. I'll see you tomorrow for day 15. Peace.